Today I'm going to stay in one lane in League of Legends as it. I hope we don't start the fight. Okay, we're fighting. What the fuck? What the fuck? Why are we fighting? Why are we fighting? Why are we fighting? Come on. You guys are better than this. This fucker won't go away. No, first blood in my ass. Why are you here? Nah, you won't get me. I dodged that. He's almost dead. He's almost dead. Oh my god, oh my goodness. That's too early to laugh. Fuck me. Shit. I'm so early to laugh. Fuck this shit. Fuck that shit. Oh my goodness. What the fuck? I laughed so early. But I outplayed the Yasuo. Gotta be honest. Oh my goodness. I keep on killing this bitch. Okay, Lily, do your thing. Oh my goodness, he missed. They missed. Oh, okay, I'm glad to get that. Oh my goodness, why did I flash?
Lahat ng mga lalaro nito na patas.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I should start step. This fucker. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think they noticed already my play. I got the play. That's an overkill. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I pushed him thing. Oh my. Getting fed. Oh my, they're in the lead now. We're both 7-4 but Yasuo is 11. Oh my goodness, I get the one here there. Buy some time. They did buy my team. Okay, I'm safe there. Oh my goodness. That almost got me. Okay, we're pushing this. There ain't no way we're not getting this. Okay, I'm out. I'm fucking out. Go to my lane. Go to my fucking lane. Come on, let's go. Let's do this.
Mabilisan lang yan. Dalihan mo. Mabilisan lang yan. Hindi mo kagad Roblox. Mga. Roblox ka agad.
Oh god.
Dali!
Ikaw, one, patay na yan.
Patay na yan.
Ay!
Dali, dali, dali!
Why are they there? Okay, I'll push. Shit.
May pizza ka ba eh?
Ang ina mo siya!
Okay, I'll be staying here.
Gago ka.
I'm going to push the ship.
Bye-bye!
Gago. Tumuha ko pera.
Sayang naman. Ikrap naman.
I'm going to end this game. Fuck the shit.
Yung problem. Yung sinasabi ko.
Okay, fuck the shit.
Walang crop. May crop na naman. Yung buto ko. Yun, wala na.
I only stayed in one lane. Okay, I'll get you. I'll get you. Don't worry.
Ano ba na?
I win the game yet I only stayed in one lane. What the fuck?